Hello, ladies and gentlemen. If you are a leader and you make 6-figure in income, you may want to watch the rest of this video because I would love to invite you to a workshop and mastermind that I am running in Copenhagen on September the 30th, 2025. We're going to be a small group between 15 and 20 people. And the whole idea is designed around one day where you get the support, the mentorship, the coaching from me on how to take your career to the next level. I will be there and you get to meet the other amazing people who play at the same 6-figure level as you. So you get to kind of network and hang out with them. And everyone is going to share what is working really well in their career and how they lead, what is not working very well and how they lead in their career. And everyone is going to share their learnings over the last couple of months, a year. And everyone is going to share where they want to be 6 months from now and 12 months from now. And I 100% guarantee if you attend, you will leave with more insights, ideas, and tools on how to grow your career in a way that you always dreamed of, in a way that feels so much more aligned with who you really are, with the least amount of effort. We're going to host the event in Copenhagen City. The vibe is going to be amazing. We're going to provide food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, stuff in between. There's going to be coffee breaks. There's time to mingle. There's time to reflect. We're going to have structured workshops. There's going to be activities and stuff to really help you grow in the moment and reflect on where you want to go next. So if you absolutely want to skyrocket your career, you should totally join us. This is an invite only and there is an application form below. I've done these workshops in corporate and I do these events in one-on-one with my clients. But now it's time to expand the container and invite more amazing and like-minded people into the room. And I'm so excited for this. It's going to be absolutely incredible. So if you feel this is for you, now it's time to apply.